Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hair rollers is probably one of the most underutilized tools for adding instant volume and body to short hairstyles. Whether you're aiming for bouncy curls, subtle waves, or simply a lift at the roots, the right hair rollers can transform your look in minutes. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hair rollers, exploring the best options for short hair and how to use them effectively. Number 5. Kitsch Satin Heatless Hair Curler Set. Want beautiful curls without the heat? This set is designed to give you stunning, classic curls or waves overnight. It's made from smooth satin, ensuring gentle styling for flawless results. No matter your hair type, this versatile curler is for you. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, long, or medium length, it's the perfect heatless solution for salon-worthy curls. It's great for teens and adults. Protect your hair from heat damage with this overnight curler. The set includes a curling rod and 2 satin scrunchies, all wrapped in premium satin. This keeps your hair smooth and frizz-free while creating gorgeous curls. Simply wrap your hair around the rod, secure it with the scrunchies, and let it work its magic. You can sleep in it or air dry. Check out our instructional videos for tips on achieving flawless curls. This is the perfect gift for all hair types. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's easy to use, comfortable, and delivers beautiful results every time. What we like? This heatless curler is perfect for anyone who wants gorgeous curls without the heat. It's designed to be gentle on your hair while you sleep, giving you beautiful, classic curls or waves. If you have a busy lifestyle and want to wake up with perfect hair, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The heatless curler contains a flexible coated wire surrounded by soft material and coated with a satin-type fabric. I found wrapping my hair around the roller to be very easy and took about 5 minutes total. I parted my hair in the back. Then started wrapping the hair near my temple and grabbing a section of hair each time I wrapped. I just used it for the second time last night and I don't know that I will ever curl my hair again. I am seriously impressed with this heatless hair curling rod. It's so easy to use. Just wrap damp hair around the rod, secure it, and go to sleep. I wake up with soft, bouncy curls that look like I spent hours styling them. Best of all, there's no heat damage, so my hair actually feels healthier. Number 4. Conair Heatless Curlers, Overnight Curls. Tired of damaging your hair with heat? These Conair curlers are the perfect solution. They allow you to create beautiful curls overnight without any heat. This set of curlers is designed to give your hair lift and volume. They are easy to use and will leave your hair looking full and bouncy. The set includes various sizes and colors to suit your styling needs. You can create different curl patterns and styles with a variety of options. This set comes with 31 self-grip rollers, perfect for all hair types. The rollers are easy to apply and will hold your curls in place. With these curlers, you can create a variety of hairstyles at home. From classic curls to elegant updos, the possibilities are endless. It's like having a salon at your fingertips. Conair offers a wide range of high-quality hair accessories. These curlers are just one example of the brand's commitment to providing excellent styling tools. Conair is known for its innovative hair care tools. This product is designed to make styling your hair easier and more convenient. You will love the results. What we like? These rollers are all about giving you lift and volume with ease. With a range of sizes, you can customize your look, from subtle waves to bouncy curls. If you are looking for a simple way to add volume and style without any fuss, these rollers are your go-to solution. What people say. They are my first rollers, so I watched tons of YouTube tutorial videos before buying. There are 5 sizes. The curls look shiny and smooth, and feel soft. Number 3. Self-grip hair rollers set with comb and clips. Introducing the self-grip hair rollers set. This set helps you achieve beautiful waves and curls effortlessly. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their hair styling. This set includes large, medium, and small rollers. You can create versatile styles with different sizes. It allows you to customize your look. Achieve beautiful curls and waves with ease. These self-grip rollers make styling simple. You'll love how easy it is to get salon-quality results at home. The set includes 36 rollers, 12 duckbill clips, and a comb. Everything you need for a perfect hairstyle is included. It's a complete solution for your hairstyling needs. Suitable for all ages and genders. It's perfect for home use or while traveling. You can create stunning looks wherever you go. Lightweight and portable design for styling on the move. This set is easy to pack and take with you. It's your perfect travel companion for great hair. What we like. This set offers versatility with its range of roller sizes, perfect for creating different curl styles. The inclusion of clips and a comb makes styling a breeze, whether you're at home or on the go. If you like having options and need a convenient styling solution for travel, this set is a great pick. What people say. These curlers grip my hair enough to keep the curlers in place while the hair is drying and the curl stays in all day and even decently through the second day. The rollers are perfect, the multiple sizes make them perfect for a blowout on a bunch of hair lengths. They stay in just fine, not as pinchy as the older type, way back when. LOL very comfortable, although I'm not going to wear them to bed like we used to. Comes with clippy things if you need them. I did use a few to help keep the hair in the roller. Number 2. Kamay Hair Rollers, 25mm 112 PCS, DIY hairstyling. Want beautiful curls without heat? These rollers are perfect for creating stunning styles at home. They are easy to use and gentle on your hair. These professional rollers are designed for overnight use. You can sleep in them and wake up with gorgeous, loose curls. No pins or clips are needed, the Velcro keeps them in place. This practical tool helps you create various hairstyles effortlessly. Whether you want loose waves or defined curls, it makes styling simple and fun. For optimal results, slightly dampen your hair before using the rollers. Once your hair is dry, carefully unwind the rollers to avoid any damage. This will give you the best curls. We are committed to providing high-quality styling tools. We have a registered trademark and maintain all legal rights. Trust this product for your hairstyling needs. What we like. These rollers are designed for effortless DIY styling, allowing you to create loose curls without heat. The Velcro design ensures the rollers stay in place, making them easy to use. If you are looking for a simple, damage-free way to curl your hair at home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They work great on my chin-length bob. I bought 2 sizes since my hair is layered. They work on dry or wet hair, and don't get tangled in my hair. I have short hair, and these self-grip Velcro curlers are just the right size to hold it in place. They grip really well and don't slip out, even without clips or pins. Super easy to use and exactly what I needed. Excellent service from this seller, fast delivery and easy to use rollers as they stick to themselves and do not need pins or rubber bands to fasten them in place. Good quality product. Number 1. Kitsch Ceramic Thermal Hair Rollers, 8 PCS, black. These ceramic-coated hair rollers are designed to evenly distribute heat. They are perfect for creating a beautiful blowout look, giving you longer-lasting volume with less heat. Add lift to your roots and enjoy serious volume and bounce. These rollers are ideal for creating big, bouncy waves and curls that enhance your style. Simply insert these self-grip rollers into almost dry hair. Use a blow dryer to warm them up, let them cool, and then remove. The clips ensure a strong hold without damaging your hair. Easily pack these rollers in your bag for creating soft curls on the go. The packaging doubles as a reusable pouch, making them easy to transport wherever you need them. This set includes 3 different roller sizes, perfect for all hair lengths. Create bouncy waves and curls with 1.5, 2, and 2.25-inch rollers, ideal for any hair type. What we like. These ceramic thermal rollers are designed to give you a blowout look with long-lasting volume. The ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution, and the included clips provide a strong hold. If you like creating a voluminous, salon-worthy style, this is the perfect tool for achieving that look. What people say. These are exactly what I wanted for my bangs and the front of my hair to give it direction. I use these to set my hair when I'm doing a blowout. As I complete each section with the blow dryer, I immediately put it in a curler and secure with a styling clip. The rollers feature a ceramic coating that helps to reduce frizz and add shine to my hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.